how to post 60 seconds story on Instagram. In today's short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to get the longer stories feature on your Instagram. So all what you wanna do is open the Play Store and or any store that you have on your phone. For example, if you have iPhone, you can use the App Store. So, anyway, go to the search bar and search for Instagram and you will find this update option. All what you wanna do here is just click on it. That's it. After click on it, your Instagram is gonna be updated into the latest version, and with the latest version, you will find the longer stories feature. So, and if you tried this and it's still not working, then you have to uninstall or remove the Instagram from your phone and reinstall it again. And if the problem still didn't fix it, then this means that you just have to wait until this option is available in your country, because it seems that it's not available in your country yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe.